Welcome back to Motor Future. The 2026 Honda VFR750R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a reawakening of a legendary nameplate that once ruled both the streets and tracks. Revived with modern engineering while retaining its iconic DNA, the new VFR750R is Honda's bold statement to the sport touring world, a reminder that performance, heritage, and practicality can indeed coexist beautifully. At first glance, the 2026 VFR750R immediately captures attention with its aggressive stance, aerodynamic fairing, and the unmistakable single-sided swingarm. The bike retains the character of the original RC30 that inspired it, but Honda has fused it with new-age tech to meet today's expectations. The design is an elegant blend of sharp angles and fluid lines, featuring a full LED lighting setup including sleek DRLs, a redesigned twin headlamp face that pays tribute to the 90s original, and aerodynamic winglets subtly integrated into the front cowl, purely functional yet visually arresting. Under the fairings lies the heart of this reborn beast, a newly developed 748 cubic centimeters V4 engine that's €5+ compliant and engineered for both top-end thrill and everyday usability. This refined V4 puts out around 115 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque, delivering a smooth yet aggressive power band. Whether you're carving twisties or cruising along the highway, the VFR750R is tuned for torque-rich mid-range performance and a thrilling top end, all while maintaining Honda's signature reliability and smoothness. The engine pairs with a 6-speed close-ratio gearbox, and for the first time in this model's history, a bidirectional quickshifter comes as standard. The gearbox is precise, responsive, and contributes significantly to the sporty riding experience. Additionally, Honda has equipped the VFR750R with an assist and slipper clutch, allowing for aggressive downshifting with reduced engine braking, a true asset during spirited riding or track sessions. Chassis-wise, Honda has employed a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, providing exceptional rigidity and handling feedback. The bike feels planted in corners, yet agile enough to flick from side to side with minimal effort. The single-sided swingarm, a signature VFR feature, not only looks stunning but also plays a role in maintaining stability at high speeds and improving ease of wheel changes. Front suspension duties are handled by a fully adjustable 43mm Showa SFFBP upside-down fork, while the rear gets a monoshock setup with remote preload adjustability, ideal for quick tuning when switching from solo to pillion riding. Braking performance is equally impressive. The VFR750R is equipped with dual 320mm floating discs up front, gripped by radial-mounted Brembo monoblock calipers, and a single 256mm disc at the rear. ABS is standard, but what makes it stand out is Honda's new cornering ABS system, which adjusts brake force dynamically when leaned over, providing added confidence through twisty roads and emergency braking scenarios. Technology integration is well balanced. The VFR750R comes with a new 5-inch full-color TFT display that is crisp, customizable, and equipped with Bluetooth connectivity. It supports turn-by-turn navigation, smartphone integration for calls and media, and real-time bike diagnostics. The left switchgear includes a small joystick for intuitive control of the dash, eliminating the need to take your eyes off the road. Honda hasn't forgotten touring riders either. The 2026 VFR750R features a comfortable, ergonomically refined seat with just the right balance between sporty and relaxed positioning. Adjustable foot pegs and a height-adjustable windscreen offer further customization, while optional heated grips and panniers enhance long-distance touring ability. Even the 21-liter fuel tank has been optimized for longer range without compromising weight distribution. Another new highlight is the semi-active suspension system available on the higher spec trim, which dynamically adjusts damping based on road conditions, riding mode, and speed. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes: sport, touring, urban, and custom, each altering throttle response, traction control levels, and suspension feel. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and Wheelie Control are also standard across all trims, adding a layer of electronic safety net without intruding on the fun. One of the most exciting additions is the optional RC Heritage Pack, which brings in classic RC30 livery, a titanium slip-on exhaust co-developed with Akrapovic, and carbon fiber touches across the bodywork. This package not only enhances the performance and look but also elevates its collector value, appealing directly to fans of the original model. As for the price, the base variant of the 2026 Honda VFR750R starts around $14,999, while the top-spec variant with semi-active suspension and RC Heritage Pack can go up to approximately $17,999. For what it offers, engineering excellence, heritage design, modern electronics, and everyday usability, it presents a compelling package in the middleweight sport touring category. What makes the 2026 VFR750R truly unique is its ability to blend nostalgia with innovation. It doesn't try to replicate the past blindly, rather, it builds upon the legacy with intent and precision. This is a bike for those who remember the RC30 dream and for a new generation looking for a versatile machine that's as enjoyable on mountain passes as it is on cross-country trips. To sum it up, the 2026 Honda VFR750R is a refined beast engineered for thrill, built for comfort, and designed with soul. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to Honda's golden age of sport bikes with the capability to dominate modern roads. For riders looking for that perfect balance of power, pedigree, and practicality, the new VFR750R might just be the ultimate answer.